Hi everyone, I'm Theaster Gates, and I'm honored and humbled to be inducted into the Chicago Innovation Hall of Fame. Innovation for me is new ways of solving old problems. And, in Chicago, I feel like there's so many significant challenges that need, our attention. And so I've really tried to use the work that I do on the South Side and with Rebuild Foundation as an opportunity to offer my protest to the challenges that exist in our city, and to try every day to make our city a little bit better by adding creativity and beauty and building as much community as I can. In these times, I think that innovation is one of the most significant ways that we can have the fuel that we need to tackle challenges that seem bigger and bigger. Innovation should be the kind of driver of new ways of being willing to engage people, engage technologies, engage old solutions to old problems in new ways. And innovation can very easily feel like a buzzword for technologies. But I think that it really is about spending the time necessary to look deeply at the things that beset us and find new ways of helping those challenges go away. So I salute my fellow inductees, and I'm really, really grateful for this opportunity. Hope to see you all soon. Thanks.